Don't tip us over, Nolan. Y'all ready?
Ready.
Ready to get out on the water?
Ready.
All right, we decided to take a little trip. We're at rowing dock in Austin, Texas, on the Lady Bird Johnson, I think the Colorado River. So we're gonna take y'all along and we're gonna have some fun, all right? So join us. We're going out in the water. Rolling Dock, Austin, Texas. All right, Nolan, you get the paddling, buddy.
Yeah.
We gotta go catch up to Ashlyn. Go get her.
I got it.
Let's go get her. Ooh, it's a beautiful day. Hey, we got somebody up next to us. Nolan, who is that?
Ashlyn.
What's up, Ashlyn?
Yo.
Man, you looking cool. You catching anything?
No.
We're catching some rays. We're gonna be nice and golden tan, aren't we, Nolan?
Yes.
Yeah, look at all the people out on the water. We gonna head that way?
Yeah.
We'll get to paddling. Let's go, get to paddling. We're coming up to, I believe that's Barton Springs Road, Barton Springs
Dad.
Bridge.
Dad.
And then what's up, Nolan?
Help.
What?
Help.
Oh, you want me to help?
Yeah.
Oh, geez, okay. Whoa. 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 Whoa, you got wet?
Yeah.
Oh no. Where do you think you're going?
We're going.
Waiting for us.
Yeah.
You having fun back there, Ashlyn? Yeah? Oh yeah. Just cruising around. Got the bridge behind us. Hey Nolan, look back here. You having fun?
Yeah.
Yeah? All right. Nolan.
Yeah.
Nolan.
Yeah.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. What's that? What's that? Oh, we're going down. Nolan, you think there's any gators out there? Look over here to your right. You think there's any gators in the water?
Hey, watch it there, buddy, with that old.
I'm not gonna pet him.
What?
I said pet him.
Is Ashlyn?
Oh no. Yeah, check in.
Nolan, be careful. The turtle's right there. See him? He just swam down. Turtles. They're just getting a little sun. Turning that green hide a little bit darker. Tan. Look at that. They just come right on up to us, huh? Look, Nolan. That's the Wright Stuff turtle crew. That's me, you, and Ashlyn the turtles.
Look, kids. Those people look like the Right Stuff Turtle Adventures. But humans.
All right, Ashlyn. What do you think of them turtles?
They're too cute.
Too cute, huh? That's pretty cool. We're almost to that other bridge. All right, let's get there. What do you think of that view, Nolan? Yeah. I need some advice. Do we go to the left, to the city, or do we go to the right, to the secret cove and look for some gold?
City.
Which way do we go?
City.
City?
Yeah.
Or for the gold? City?
City.
Or for the gold?
City.
I don't know what to do. We're going to the city.
Yeah.
Ashlyn, that's the secret ruins. The secret ruins that Indiana Jones discovered. Do you see him in there? Ashlyn, do you see Indy in there? No, he's not in there. He's trapped. Dun dun dun. Indy? Is that you, Indiana Jones? Alright, we made it this far. We've come all the way down to the end. We've been paddling for about an hour now. Nice, beautiful views. We've seen some turtles, all kinds of cool stuff. So we only rented the kayak for an hour, but they keep your credit card there. So if we go over, they're just gonna charge us a little bit more. So we're just having a good time. So we're just gonna keep on going, and we'll start heading back that way and see if we find any more cool stuff. You ready to go, Nolan?
Yeah.
Which way you want to go? We'll head that way?
Yeah.
Let's head back that way. Just keep in mind, however far you go that way, you got to go back that way. And it's not quite as easy.
Yeah.
Whew. Almost there, Ashlyn! That way! Land ho! We made it!
Oh no.
We've made it, Nolan!
Yeah.
We've made it!
Did y'all have fun out there today?
Oh yeah, did you have fun, Nolan?
Oh, it's great to hear.
Don't fall.
The ball.
Thank you so much.
All right. Whew, did you have fun?
Yes.
That was a good time. What's the name of this place, Ashlyn?
The rowing dock on
Rowing-
Lady Bird Lake.
Lady Bird Lake. I probably told you the wrong lake earlier, but I was just excited to be out in the water. But anyways, thanks for coming along with us. This was a great way to beat the heat out here in Austin, Texas. My truck says it's 98. I think it's more like 125 million. But we had a good time. Did you have a good time, Nolan?
Yes.
That's right.
Good.
So I tell you what do they need to do, Nolan? Do they need to subscribe?
I'll do it. I'll do it.
You're gonna do it?
Yeah.
All right, get us out of here.
That his brother and his brother can cut low, and his brother, me, my dad, and husband, they're on a blog.
That's right. Thank you. Thanks for joining our blog, our blog. I don't know what it is. It's something awesome that we do with Wright Stuff Family Adventures. Roll that outro. And if your doggy makes a do, clean it up.